So today, you will receive diplomas in general policing. After you successfully complete your probationary phase, you will earn associate degrees reflecting the professionalization of policing in Jamaica, recognizing that modern officers are trained, educated, and held to high academic standards. I keep saying that the JCF of today is not the JCF of 10, 15, 20 years ago. The JCF of today is a spectacular, phenomenal, well-trained organization in which every Jamaican can be proud. The JCF of today is an intelligent organization. And as you come into the ranks of this transformed institution, you must come in with a mindset of building the organization, improving the organization, deepening the organization. As I inspected your ranks, I took the time to stop and speak to a few of the graduates. And I asked a standard question: what were you doing before you joined the JCF, and why did you join the JCF? I'm sure that they did not know I was going to ask these questions, but they would suspect that a question of this sort would be asked, and so they were drilled. And they would say, "Good afternoon, Prime Minister, Officer 2614. I joined the JCF because I wanted to serve my country and make a difference." I agree with you. I appreciate that. It is the right answer to give. But I also appreciated the young lady who said, "I joined the JCF because I wanted to set an example for my child." Because ultimately, that's what it comes down to. It is every officer recognizing that they have a duty to their family, to their country, and to the community to be an example. I also appreciated the young man who said that before he joined the JCF, he was a farmer, but he wanted to do, while he appreciated farming, he wanted to do something else with his life, and he found that the JCF was the right institution for him. And I also appreciated the youngster who told me that he was at home for a few years, and then he decided to join the JCF, and I further inquired of him, and he said, "You know, Prime Minister, my father was a policeman, my uncle is a policeman, and my brother is a policeman." So he's continuing the tradition of law enforcement in his family. Gathered here today are representatives of every aspect of Jamaica, of communities in Jamaica, of experiences in Jamaica. You are Jamaicans, and you are in a position of leadership. Do not let down your family. Do not let down your community. Do not let down your country. The uniform you wear represents authority. Over 150 years of history. The country cannot be transformed without a strong police force. And I stand here today to say, yes, you are ambassadors for the new Jamaica. Wear your uniform proudly. Embody the values and principles that you were taught. We are depending on you. We are relying on you.